Hey sqadians, welcome again. From our many previous videos, we got a very clear idea of our immune system and how it works in an extensive manner to help protect the body against foreign pathogen. So, now we know very well that after the invasion of a foreign pathogen inside the body, the first and foremost action that needs to be taken by our immune system is the recognition of that antigen. And we have also learnt in our previous videos that mainly there are 3 antigen recognition molecules that, as their name shows, play a role in the recognition or identification of the invading microbe. And these recognition molecules are major histocompatible complex or MHC molecules, BCRs or B-cell receptors, and TCRs or T-cell receptors. Let's briefly revise them here. Although all these antigen recognition molecules belong to the immunoglobulin superfamily, but all 3 differ in their action mechanism. For instance, MHC molecules, where MHC class I molecules are found on almost all nucleated cells, and MHC class II molecules are found on APCs or antigen-presenting cells. These MHC molecules make bond with the epitope of exogenous and endogenous antigen on their binding groove, and ultimately make MHC antigen complex. And then this complex is presented to the particular subsets of T cells for further action against them. Next, BCRs are just the bound immunoglobulins or antibodies over the surface of B cells. These antibodies or BCRs have specialty to make direct bond with the antigen at their antigen binding fragment and then recognize them as foreign entity, and either take action against them directly or present it to other cells, mainly T cells, for further action. Then lastly, comes the TCRs or T-cell receptors. These TCRs somehow resembles in structure to BCRs, but they are always found in bound state over the surface of T cells. And unlike BCRs, they do not recognize the antigen alone, but they need an MHC antigen complex. Only then they can bind with the captured antigen and take necessary actions against them. And now, you surely have inferred from the video's title, the subject of discussion for today's video is T-cell receptors. And from this recent overview, we get to know that TCRs are one of the efficient antigen recognition molecules. Now, in this video, we will discover deep details about T-cell receptors. What are they? What are the types and structures of TCRs? How does TCR genes rearrangement occur? And how does it support the primary function of TCRs, that is, antigen recognition? So, stay tuned and watch this great video all the way through to discover more about TCRs.
From medical students to seasoned professionals, sqadia.com offers engaging and dynamic content for your educational journey.